Grilled fruit skewers. Ingredients: fruit skewers with aluminum foil wrap. 1 angel food cake, that is 9-inch, cut into 2-inch cubes. 1 pint strawberries, hulled. 1 pineapple, cut into 2-inch cubes. 1/3 cup dark chocolate chips. For honey lime glaze: 1/4 cup honey. Half lime, juiced. Preparation: thread a strawberry, pineapple and cake on a skewer, repeating 2 more times per skewer. Heat the honey and lime juice in the microwave for 30 seconds and brush on each skewer. Land the aluminum foil wrap on the grill, dull side facing the food, and punch holes all over to allow the juices to drip through. Cook on low, turning the skewers to evenly brown all of the sides. Once they are browned, remove them from the grill. Melt the chocolate chips in the microwave for 45 seconds, and drizzle the melted chocolate on the fruit skewers.